Poland. Poland country of Central Europe. Poland is located at the geographic crossroads that links the forested lands of northwestern Europe to the sea lands of the Atlantic Ocean and the fertile plains of the Russian frontiers. Now bounded by 7 nations, Poland has waxed and waned over the centuries, fettered by the force of regional history. In the early Middle Age, Poland's small principalities and townships were subjected by successive waves of invaders. From Germans and Bears to Mongols. In the mid 1500, United Poland was the largest state in Europe and perhaps the continent's most powerful nation. Yet 2.5 centuries later, during the partitions of Poland, it dissipated, parceled out among the contending empires of Russia, Persia, and Austria. Even at the time of national crisis, however, Polish cultures remained strong. Indeed, it even flourished of sometimes far from home. Polish revolutionary ideals carried by such distinguished patriots as Kazimierz Pulaski and Tadeusz Kościuszko informed those of the American Revolution. The Polish Constitution of 1791, the oldest in Europe, in turn incorporated ideals of the American and French Revolution. Polish later settled in great numbers in the United States, Canada, Argentina, and Australia and carried their cultures with them. At the same time, Polish artists of the Romantic period such as pianist Fryderyk Chopin and poet Edmund Mickiewicz were leading lights on the European continent in the 19th century. Following their example, Polish musicians, filmmakers, and writers continue to enrich the world's arts and letters. Poland lies at the physical center of the European continent, approximately between latitude 49 and 55 and longitudes 14 and 24 E. Irregularly circular in shape, it is bordered to the north by the Baltic Sea, to the northeast by Russia and Lithuania, and the east by Belarus and Ukraine. Poland relief was formed by the actions of ice age glaciers which advanced and receded over the northern part of country. Several times during the Pleistocene epoch, the great and often mountainous expanses of the Polish lowland part of the North European plain are composed of geological recent deposits that lie over a vast structural basin.